We are team number 435A of TI ADC 2012 competition, and this is part of phase 1A of the competition. As you can see on your left side, this is the ASLKV 2010 starter kit, and according to the circuit diagram, we have rigged up the circuit. This is the voltage waveform which you can see on the oscilloscope. Now, if you focus on the starter kit, we have the TL082 op amp, which is connected as given in the circuit diagram, also as given in the problem statement. Now, we are getting a power supply from a regulated power source that is connected to the power board. Okay. On the screen you can see the TINA Spice simulation of our problem statement, and you have the gain plot and the phase plot corresponding to each other. Now, as you can see, the gain remains constant 0 dB throughout the whole span, except for around the 200 to 300 kilohertz, where it increases a little bit and it sharply decreases towards 1 megahertz frequency range. Now, if you see the experimental setup, you can see that the voltage is constant at around 57 kilohertz. Now, if I increase the frequency, you can see that the input voltage is equal to the output voltage, but if I increase the frequency from 75 kilohertz, 60 kilohertz, the output voltage starts to become greater than the input voltage, and also you can see the phase difference between the two waves increasing gradually. And now you can see clearly, distinctly, that the output voltage is greater than the input voltage. And as I increase to 180 kilohertz, 160, and around 200 kilohertz, 210, you can see that the output voltage has now come down sharply and has become lesser than the input voltage. And if I increase further, there is a very sharp decrease. Correspondingly, the frequency, the phase between the two waves has also become greater. This is part B of our problem, and as you can see, we have applied 100 Hz of square wave signal. The output can be seen on the oscilloscope screen, and the output voltage is following the input voltage. However, if you look closely, where the input voltage change is sharp, the output voltage does not follow exactly, and there is a slight distortion.